A standard 4K is just 8 megapixels. Nano Banana Pro models deliver 16. But what if you need double that? Today, I'll show you how to bypass AI limits and achieve 8K detail right in Photoshop. The secret is actually very simple. We don't generate the entire image in one go. Instead, we split the process into two parts. We generate the left side first and then the right side. But there's one small detail that makes everything work perfectly, a 1 to 2% overlap between the two halves. To set this up, we add vertical guides at 49% and 51% of the image width. That tiny gap between the guides creates the overlap area. This method works reliably with all standard aspect ratios. That small overlap is what allows us to blend the seam invisibly later, effectively merging two clean 4K generations into one ultra-high resolution final image. Now, here's an important technical detail. The plugin always tries to return an image that matches the exact resolution of your current Photoshop selection. So if your goal is a true 4K or 8K result, you need to prepare your canvas in advance. Simply scale it up to the resolution you want before generating. For this example, I'm increasing the working canvas to 8,000 pixels wide, which gives us more than enough resolution for this demonstration. I've already prepared the prompt we'll use. What we're doing here is essentially a controlled partial generative upscale. Before generating, make sure 4K is selected in the plugin interface and that you're using the Gemini 3 Pro Nano Banana model. Now select the left portion of the image all the way to the far right vertical guide and click Generate. To avoid stretched faces or distorted architecture, the plugin strictly follows recommended aspect ratios. If your selection doesn't perfectly match one of those ratios, the plugin automatically adjusts it to the closest supported format. This ensures zero distortion. In some cases, it may slightly crop the edges if they touch the canvas boundaries, and that's completely intentional. It preserves correct proportions. Once the left side is done, we repeat the same process for the right side. Select from the right edge to the left guide of the image and click Generate again. After both halves are complete, there's just one final step, blending the seam. On a layer mask, take a soft brush and gently paint along the seam area. Because we created that 1 to 2% overlap earlier, the transition blends perfectly. The seam disappears completely, and the result is a seamless, monolithic 8K image. Let's zoom in and take a look at the final result. Honestly, it looks fantastic. One quick additional tip. If you want even more precision when calculating your canvas size, the plugin includes an Add Reference Image button. Along with guiding the generation process, the reference panel also shows the exact pixel dimensions. That makes it easy to calculate the optimal canvas size with the smallest necessary overlap, so you can squeeze every usable pixel from each generation. And remember, 8K is just the starting point. Now, go build something massive.